Hey folks, it's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. We're going to look at some UDP troubleshooting, actually right in the middle of an issue. So this is a great time to look at stuff. So obviously people complain they can't get to the internet. I pinged Google's public DNS 8.8.8.8. It's fine. I think that's 4 8s. Anyways, so now I've started to capture and I'm focusing on DNS because one reason why you can't get to the internet is that DNS doesn't work. So here I am. I tried the obviously going to a few sites like Amazon, and it wasn't working. And you could see here there's a bunch of DNS requests going out to the DNS server, forwarder, relay, whatever it is, and nothing. And then there's one response right there. So let's do a few things. Number one, if the colors are on, again, my preference, turn them off for a bit because we're not using them. This is the packet list, the packet detail, packet bytes. Let's turn off the packet bytes. There you go. And if we expand the domain name service header here, you'll see a transaction ID. Just want to do something real quick. Right click, apply as filter, and select it. And now I can see this went out to be queried. Obviously, it did not get resolved, so nothing came back. So let's get rid of that filter for a moment. I'm going to pick something that actually came back. So I'm just going to quickly look down for a query response, right? Just randomly picking stuff. Same deal. I'm going to go to that transaction ID. I'm going to right click, apply as filter, selected. And you can see there's the first request. 2 seconds later, I sent it again, like a retransmission, if you will, even though it's UDP and not TCP, same behavior. So same transaction ID as well, as you can see. And then we get a response 70 milliseconds later. Now, it's hard to determine if this response is from the first request or the second request. It doesn't matter. The point is there's something bad going on here, and we got to look into it. So as well as that, I did a NSLOOKUP, and I specified 8.8.8.8 as a name server to have something to compare to. So let me just go to View, turn off the packet details for a moment so I get a little more real estate backup. And you can see this is all 10.10.0254. And if I scroll down enough, you'll see near the bottom of the screen, there it is. There it is, 8. 8, and then immediate response. You see that? So 8 works, and the other one not so much, right? You can even see a bunch of other stuff. Doesn't matter. The point is there's something obviously wrong with this DNS server, resolver, proxy, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. And that's how we do it. So now we've got an actual snapshot of it not working well. And when they make a change, then we'll see if it makes a difference. In the meantime, I'd suggested as a test, we change the DHCP scope, or just a few people statically change their DNS to 8.8.8.8. And lo and behold, they worked and the internet was up. So obviously there's a DNS issue here. So I thought that'd help you out. Anyways, have a good day. Bye for now.